There we go. Now we can have photo. Cheese. Look at the camera. Cheese. 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 Take the picture. Take the picture. Wait, am I opposite? How do I flip it? Oh, I'm so zoomed in. What happened? Oh well. I hope you were able to take your pictures. I'm leaving now. Wanna see a party trick? 3, 2, 1.